Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining measured dry and fat elements so the chemistry works. First, melt 80 g cocoa butter or coconut oil gently over a double boiler. This creates the liquid matrix that binds cocoa powder. Once mostly liquid, whisk in 100 g sifted cocoa powder and 60 g powdered sugar so the mixture emulsifies. You're aiming for a glossy, pourable texture. Make sure there are no dry pockets. This step sets the base flavor and mouthfeel, so take time to fully dissolve and homogenize. Once your mixture is smooth, you need to stabilize it so chips hold shape and texture. Whisk vigorously for 3 to 5 minutes. This disperses cocoa solids into the fat and reduces graininess. If you want better viscosity and shelf life, stir in 1/4 teaspoon lecithin or a pinch of salt. Lecithin helps emulsify and salt lifts flavor. Make sure to cool the mix down to around 28-30 degrees C. Then briefly rewarm to 31-33 degrees C if you used cocoa butter. That gives a firm snap. Now you form chips. Transfer the glossy chocolate into a piping bag or use a small spoon and deposit uniform dots into silicone molds. Tap the tray to release trapped air, then refrigerate for 20 to 30 minutes until fully set. Once solid, unmold and store in an airtight container away from heat. If the chips are grainy or separate oily, reheat gently and whisk to re-emulsify, or add a little more powdered sugar to absorb excess oil and restore texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.